Howdy YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing. You guys should check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. It's got some weight to it. Oh boy. USB Ultra HD High Dynamic Range Projector Mini Projector. Where's this coming from? Multimedia projector. I have no idea what this is. I'm about to find out. Alright. This is awkward. What is this? Some kind of projector, I guess. Ooh. Pretty interesting. Okay. That's like USB, HDMI, power cord. Must be the fan. Super lightweight too. I like this. It's kind of like the old school vibe. I'm gonna test this out. I was not expecting this today. Everything is empty. I just don't know where this is coming from. We got the power cord. And we got a remote. Oh, let's look in the email. Ultra HD, high dynamic range. I'll make sure you remove the sticker or the lens cover. Looks like I'm going downstairs with this and testing it out. Alright. Pretty cool. Twist the twist tie. Make sure you have AAA batteries for the remote. This is definitely not. I don't remember putting a request in. So it's basic, you know. You can have all your devices. Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch. Yeah, there you go. There's power, the vent, on and off, focus, lens, rotate. We did that. You can do network setting. And you can also hook up your Bluetooth devices for speakers and stuff. Network. Alright, Wi-Fi you can connect to. So I'm going to have to take this downstairs and set this up. I just wish I could tell right off the bat who this is from. It's nowhere on the box or on the label. Mini projector, portable projector, auto Keystone, native 4K, 1080p smart projector, Android, new item. That's all it says. But once I figure it out, it'll be corrected in the title, and in the once you click the link, it'll take you right to the site. wherever that might be. But it's for sure Amazon, and we're going to get this thing rocking. So thank you guys, whoever sent this. Definitely excited to test out a new projector. Be great for the holiday season coming up, birthdays. Watch the sports, Stanley Cup Finals, NBA Finals. See, basic plug. You know, you can watch it all. Watch your favorite movies. Have it mirror through your phone. All that good stuff. If you know how to do it, keep doing it. So, highlight coating lens, HD, USB. So, it's only 1-in-1. But I'm sure you could have those HDMI connectors. You can have a couple HDMIs going. So, here's the remote. Pretty basic. Kind of looks like a, oh man. What were those? Amazon Fire Sticks? Yeah, that's it. Fire Stick. Kind of looks like those. There we go. Yeah, triple A's all the way around. Alright, I'm going to load this up. I'm going to move my old projector and swap that out with this one. And next time, we'll be down in the basement. Okay. Guys, here we go. We got it all set up. I still got to adjust it a little bit more. So I got to figure that out. Where I'm going to put it. Right now, it's right there. And it sounds good without a sound bar. So it sounds good with the basic setup. But this thing does a lot. So you can adjust your screen size. I'll show you. You can do settings. You can adjust. You can see it. But I just gotta find a good spot where it could be measure out the size. So I'll be doing that this weekend. And you can flip it, ceiling mode, or you can have it normal like that. And you can also do the Keystone manually. It'll do it. Adjust. Bluetooth settings you could do. You can find everything that you have right there in the list. Other settings, the apps. They got a lot of different apps you could choose from, if you know what I mean. So, pretty much Android base device. Apps right there. You got Chrome. You can have your Disney Plus going. Mirrorcast from your phone. You should know how to do that by now. AirPin Pro. That has everything there. Player, decoder. So you can adjust everything here. But everything looks good. You can have your Xbox, PlayStation, you name it, run your Chrome. So like I said, I just got to adjust it to my screen size. And everything will be good. But yeah, this thing is really nice. Great picture. I'm really happy. Great price they got going on now. Of course, you could go Google Play and download Prime Video. All the apps that you have. Gaming you could do. Mobile games, stuff like that. So, definitely a nice one. If you're looking for a good one, check these guys out. Like I said, link's going to be down below. All you got to do is click on it and place your order today. Alright, guys? So, there we go. But yeah, really nice quality. So, there you go. And the sound. Oops. It's kind of quiet though, but there we go. A little rugby action. Yeah, once I adjust the screen, it is clear as day. Really sharp. You can see right through. Great stuff. Alright guys, be safe.